Uh-oh. There it is. Let's go. There's the push. That's what we needed. Come on. Get to... What's going on, everyone? Today was a real rough day trying to take trades. However, somehow I turned out green, and somehow, some way, I was able to find a long through all the selling that happened today, and I was able to capitalize just a little bit on the long. I'm gonna go take you through my pre-market plan, show you a tool that I use called Bookmap that kind of gave me my reason, validated me for going long. After that, we'll check out the live trades. Let's get right into it. Today on NQ, we were in balanced conditions. Basically, I was trying to short the highs and long the lows, and the first place I was looking for was a sell-off into my 15-minute demand zone at 1543 150, and then if we broke that, I was looking for longs at 15,379.25. So those are the two areas I was looking to get long. I actually ended up getting long in that 1 hour demand zone, which you'll see in a second, but I couldn't find that much supply, even though there was actually a really nice 1 hour, or two actually really nice 1 hour supplies that I kind of missed. But I was looking at this gray box right here. It was between 15,64175 and 15,56775. That if we got up there, I was looking to short the market if I saw sellers. And then also I wanted to wait till after 10 because there was news, and that news resulted in a crazy drop. But let's look at Bookmap and why I actually took my trade, and then you can look at the live recording. All right, so now we're over here on Bookmap. Bookmap is just an order flow tool that I like to use to try to help me confirm trades and see where I'm trying to get long, where I'm trying to get short. You can see buyers on the tape with the green bubbles, and then the red bubbles are sellers. And then also we have the CVD down here that I like to use. It's a cumulative volume delta, right? And so I use this to gauge the strength between the buyers and the sellers. So what I was looking at is we just had a really massive sell-off, and I like to look and see where the CVD's at. So on this sell-off, we saw that we were red, and then we got bought back up. We had another sell-off, and again, we were red on the CVD, we got brought back up. Now on the next sell-off, we ended up breaking all of these lows, but the CVD was green, showing me that there was way more buying going on, and that buyers were actually stronger, even though we were pushing down. Right, so then we came right back up, we came right back down, and again we break the lows, but yet buying is still strong. The CVD is stronger, showing that buyers are up, because if we look at this low is higher than this low. So a lot of aggressive buying was coming in, even though we were making lower lows on the way down. So this showed to me that I should be looking for longs, and I just need to be patient to wait for a really good area for longs to come in. And I know it's really hard when you look at the chart and you see all this selling going on. I mean, if we zoom back out here from these highs where we opened up at like 930, I mean, we were all the way up here and we sold off, I mean, 70 to 100 points all the way down here. So it can be really hard going against the trend, but I saw an opportunity, and it came down here when we finally broke the low again, and we did have strong selling, but again, just not as strong as you would like to see for that continuation. I ended up getting long in this area. Also, to help me, I was looking at ES, and on ES, there was way more sellers here. You can see 3,921 more sellers right here compared to buyers. This is delta, and it just subtracts these two numbers right here. And so it showed me that there was a ton of trapped sellers on ES, and there'd be those same trapped sellers on NQ potentially. So I was really looking for a short squeeze to happen. Now, we didn't get exactly what I wanted, but I was still able to profit off of the longs. So let's look at my live trade. All right, I'm gonna take this market long here. I took the market long as well. Stop is below the low as well. I'm only up like a point, but we will see what happens. If I get up to about 10 points, I'm probably gonna take it to break even. just gotta be able to absorb a pullback here. I'm up 10 points. I'm at break even, so we'll see what happens. Just gonna let this play out. I can't lose on this trade. Looks like they're starting to try to soften up some liquidity above our heads on the book, which could be a good thing if we can rip through. But 70 looks like an area where we're gonna have to defend. But I think we're gonna, there we go. There's the push. Now we're starting to get bullish. We're starting to move the liquidity away from us as well, which is very, very, very bullish. We're up 16 points on the trade. 15 points on the trade. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's push, baby. Come on. Let's break through. Let's break through 390. 390 is where we got to break through. We're gonna stop a ton of sellers out. Come on. We're coming up. We're coming up. We're coming up. We're looking bullish. Come on, baby. Yikes. Yeah, this is looking real good. ES is looking real bullish right now as well. It's pushing up. ES is looking real bullish. Well, I mean, yeah, ES does need to get above the highs. I'm up roughly 15 points right now. 17. I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the candle. I'm securing roughly about like 5 points. I'll walk away with like $100, something like that. You know, I can't complain there. Can't lose. Oh, there's a big seller that's trying to defend his position right here. Big seller, but he didn't get what he wanted. So maybe we push. There's a big seller on the tape, and there's now the buying. Oh, look at this buying. Uh-oh. There it is. Let's go. There's the push. That's what we needed. Come on. Get to the 85s. Get to the 85s. We just stuffed that seller. Very nice stuff right there.
Stop it. Get some help.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Very nice stuff. ES is breaking above its highs. It's trying to break above its highs. So there we go. ES is pushing above its highs now. Very nice. Very nice. We got to see this break above the 400. Break above 400. Strong break above 400 is what I'm looking for. Strong break above 400. A lot of buying going on right now. A lot of buying. I think 30 is a good profit target. I think 30 is a good profit target. Yeah, that's true. That's true. What am I? I'm looking at 5-minute candles right now. Let me go to the 1 minute real fast. Let's go to the 1 minute. All right, I'm gonna move this up to this candle here on the 1 minute where we found buyers before. So I'm at 8.5 now, and let's see what happens. We'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. All right. I got ticked out for 19 points. So 375 on the trade, not bad. Got 375. I'm gonna see if I can't. There we go. So 375 on the day, not tripping. Very good trade. Probably the only trade I'm going to take today. Almost up $1,000 in this account, so not bad, not bad.